Sorry if my finger is bugging. Where's it going? Guys, my camera's right. Yeah, my camera's right there. So I have to do like this. Oh, nope! I'm not pointing it at her. So this is my dad working. Actually, my stepdad, my real dad is from Mexico. I don't care if I have the 19 battery. I'm still recording. She's taking way too long. Mona! Mona! What is she doing over there? Guys, what is she doing? Mona! Mona! Oh my gosh. Mona, what are you doing over there? I have to zoom in. Zoom it in. What is my dog doing all the way there? Mona! Okay, guys, I'm still posting. It's not my dog's fault. She just wants. Oh, she. Mona! What is she doing? My dog escaped. Mona! Okay, guys, we're just gonna ignore her because my dog literally just ran away, and now I have no dog. Oh, never mind. She's coming back. Oh my gosh! Mona, you're back! Yay! Mona, come! What are you? Oh. She's eating something right now. Yeah, I know this video is literally short, but I can't resist this dog, bro. And this dog, my dog is okay. This is my dog. She's 7 years old, 7 or 8. I don't know. Her birthday's obviously on January. Oh, no, her birthday's on January 1st. Oh, good mercy. Oh, good mercy. Oh, she's trying to get in the car. Come on, Mona. Slowpoke. Mona. Guys, this is gonna be like a video, and if it's time for me to go, I will end it. Mona! She literally got scared. No way. Where's she going? Where's she going? What? There you are. She worked most of the day right now. Come on! We're gonna be following her. Just kidding. We're not looking her today. This is my stepdad. I already said this earlier. He's just working. I'm gonna race you. Guess you won. I was 6 when I had this dog. You made it. Oh, hey, what are you doing? You're just trying. Okay, let's leave her alone. What are you following? Bro, she wants him to be in the lead. I wouldn't run because I would literally fall down there. Guys, I got 10 more minutes before I end the video. Let's leave! What is that living? Oh, that ain't a living. Anyone? Can I? Huh? Eh? Oh, there's sticks. This color work with my dad, but I'm still starting the video, so I have to get sticks out of the ground. Ew, there's dirt. There's dirt. What are those? Guys, I can't carry anymore. Let's carry one more. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is too much. As I carry. I'm kidding. Ah! Whoa! Oh my gosh. My dad gave me an extra stick. It's wobbly. It's this extra stick right here. Okay, let's go there out the woods to throw these sticks away. Because I don't know how much I can hold longer, because I can't hold that much because I'm like holding the camera. And guys, I don't care if my phone has 90%. I don't give a fudge. I'm not saying bad words on my channel because I can't not say bad words. Let's throw these sticks away in the woods. Yeah, that is the woods. Terrifying. Oh my gosh, it's very windy today. Oh my gosh! Did anybody hear that? That was the door of this abandoned house. See ya! That's how I saw. My hands. Oh, my surfboards. My surfboards when I slid down the hills last time, and like all the way back in like in 2024 on the January. Let's go see what the dog and my dad is doing. Wait a minute. Oh, she was literally right there. Oh, Dodgy. Oh, does something follow me? No. These little grasses look like Sierra cherries. Mana, see ya. Okay. I haven't really shown my dog. I haven't really shown my stepdad that much, but whatever. Oh, there's my dog. I'm gonna race you. Oh, never mind. Mana. Okay, good. Oh. My dog keeps going in every direction. No! Oh. Almost fall. I want to give a little tour inside here. I want to give a little tour, but I can't. It's locked. Yeah, it's locked. I can't open the door. So, guys, I'm gonna check how many storage, like battery I have left. I have 12%. It's still enough. What's it doing? Let me wipe that over there. I'm not gonna wipe that off. Actually, I am. Oh no!